Hi boys and girls, I'm Miss Havens and we are going to practice our alphabet today. Why are we going to practice our alphabet? Well, because you know the more we practice, the better we get and the smarter we become, right? Right. So take a look behind me and we see our alphabet. We are going to sing our song and then we'll do some of our letters and sounds. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we said our ABCs. Miss Havens is so proud of me. And yes, I am very proud of you boys and girls because I know you are practicing every single day, right? Right. Okay, moving on. I have our letter cards. You probably recognize these because we have practiced them lots and lots and lots. And you'll see I have 2 piles. Why do I have 2 piles? Well, because our letters are made up of vowels and consonants. Most of the letters in our alphabet are consonants. Look at all of these cards. These are all of our consonants. And if you look up here, our consonants are just the plain white cards. There are lots of them. Now the other kind of letter that we have are vowels. These are our vowels. There are 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The names of our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Let's start with our consonants. Ready? B says B. Bumblebee on the beach, B, B, B. C says K, cow on the cab, K, K, K. D says D, dog on the doghouse, D, D, D. H says H, horse in the house, H, H, H. F says F, flower in the field, F, F, F. G says G, goose in the grass, G, G, G. J says J, jelly bean in the jar, J, J, J. K says K, kid in the kayak, K, K, K. L says O, lobster in the lighthouse, O, O, O. M says monkey on the mountain, N says nurse in the night, P says P, policeman in the park, P, P, P. Q says Qu, quail on the quilt, Qu, Qu, Qu. R says rooster on the roof, S says spider in the soup, S, S, S. T says T, turtle on the tightrope, T, T, T. V says V, violin in the van, V, V, V. W says W, worm in the wagon, W, W, W. X says X, X in the x-ray, X, X, X. Y says Y, yak with the yarn, Y, Y, Y. And I know what you're thinking. His yarn is yellow. And yellow also begins with Y. Z says Z, zebra in the zoo, Z, Z, Z. Nice job. Those were our consonant sounds. Now we're going to move into, what was the name of the other type of letters that we have? Vowels. Yes, you got it. Okay, ready? A says ant on an apple, a. E says ed in the engine, a. I says insect in the ink, I. O says octopus in the office, U says upside down umbrella, And that is the end, boys and girls. What I am going to ask you to do is I would like you to find some paper maybe or some cards, ask mom and dad for some help, and see if you can write your alphabet and make your own alphabet cards. You don't have to put pictures on them, just put your letters, and then you can cut them up or whatever, and you can practice naming your letters and saying the sounds of each letter. You can also mix up your cards and practice putting them in order again. And remember, say the alphabet song, because it's really important to remember that. And the more you practice, the better you are going to get. What if you don't have any paper that you can use? Well, hopefully you have some books or magazines or something. You can look around in your books and you can just practice. Oh, look there's the letter A. A says a. There's a B. B says b. Just practice looking for your letters and naming them and practicing the sounds. Okay? Okay. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.